Hi, boys and girls. So you're going to need your word building notebook, and we are working on list C5. I'm going to say the words and then you're going to write them, but keep in mind you can pause this if you need to, so if I say them too fast. Number 1, felt. He felt sad that he wasn't feeling well. Felt. Number 2, mend. She had to mend the hole in her pants. Mend. Number 3, rest. Because he was sick, he needed a lot more rest. Number 4, bet. I bet that I could beat you at a race. Bet. Melt. Number 5 is melt. The snowman began to melt when spring came. Melt. And number 6 is send. Make sure if you have a pen pal, you send them a letter. Now the dictated sentences, we have 2 of them. The first one is, can 10 men rest on a cot? Can 10 men rest on a cot? The second one is, can 10 men send a pet to bed? Can 10 men send a pet to bed? All right, I hope you have a great day. I can't wait to see your grown-ups at conferences. I'll miss you.